Episode 388, Shared Thought Forms, How Collective Coherence Shapes Large-Scale Probability Fields. Thought is usually treated as private, individual, contained inside a brain. That model is incomplete. The core reframe: thought does not stay local. It propagates as field influence. When many similar signals overlap, a shared structure forms. What a thought form is not, it is not imagination, it is not fantasy, it is not an entity, it is not a belief system. What a thought form is a persistent probability bias. It exists when repeated thought patterns, emotional reinforcements, behavioral feedback overlaps in the same field. How shared thought forms form? When multiple individuals attend to the same idea, emotionally charge it, act in alignment with it, the probability field reshapes. Structure emerges, persistence without storage. Thought forms are not stored, they persist through reinforcement. When reinforcement stops, the structure decays. Why cultures feel heavy? Cultural density increases field inertia. Old thought forms take longer to dissolve. This is not oppression, it is accumulated coherence. Biological parallel. Neural pathways strengthen with repeated firing. Unused pathways weaken. Same logic, different scale. Planetary example. Fear-driven collective states alter decision making, resource use, and environmental pressure. Not symbolically but mechanically. Why thought forms feel external? Once a field stabilizes, individuals experience it as atmosphere. It feels given, it isn't. Why individuals can't override them easily? Individual coherence is weaker than collective inertia. This is why change feels slow. How thought forms collapse? They collapse when coherence drops, attention disperses, alternative structures stabilize, not through opposition but through replacement. Shared thought forms versus free will. Free will still exists, but choices are weighted by field structure. You swim in probability, not determinism. Why this explains mass behavior, trends, panics, belief waves, technological adoption. These are field effects. Why this is not mystical? No intention, no consciousness, no control mechanism, just overlapping signal. The core insight: thought becomes structure when coherence overlaps. Practical clarity: if a shared pattern feels immovable, don't fight it. Change the coherence source. Shared thought forms are not ideas, they are architecture. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow for more aligned content. And if you're new, I would suggest please start with episode 0, the source field. Everything builds progressively from there, step by step. Also, please do not forget to download free books, free PDFs and free FMPs from the link in my bio. Thank you.